In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save Capcut video to your phone's gallery on both Android and iOS devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Capcut. Now I'm gonna quickly create a project. We just need to select a video or multiple videos we would like to edit, then hit add. And then after we've done with editing the video and we want to export it to our camera roll, all we have to do, guys, is just tap right here at that export button at the top right corner, and after that we need just to tap at save to device and then it will export this video to our camera roll. After that, we'll be able to share it at some social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. However, we can just hit add done to close it because the video is already saved to the camera roll. Right here, we can easily find it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.